Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to set no repeat of background image in Elementor in WordPress. As you can see on my screen here, I am editing one of my web page of my website using Elementor, and here to add a new container we can simply click on plus icon displaying over here in the middle of the screen. So I have clicked on plus icon and here it is asking me about the layout of the container. So I'm going to select the flex box, and in the structure I'm going to select the direction column. Okay, and here I'm going to edit this container, and to edit this container we can simply click on edit container option just above the container. The icon is of 6 dots, so we have clicked on that, and in left side toolbar as you can see we have 3 kinds of settings: layout setting, style setting and advanced setting. Here we are going to style settings, and in the background we are going to select a normal background image. So we have selected normal. In the background type we are going to select the classic. Choose image. For example, I am going to select this image. I have selected it from media library. You can also upload a new image file using upload files option. So I have selected this image and clicked on select. Right here I am going to adjust the height of the container using layout settings. I have moved to layout settings and simply increase the height of container using minimum height option. Okay, going back to the style, and here in the background we are, and here I'm going to adjust the position of this image to custom, and little bit I'm going to decrease the Y position so that image moves upward. Okay, now if it is like a repeat is there, repeat X or repeat Y, let me change it to display size first. Auto cover is there, repeat is there. Let me change the image resolution from full to medium and display size to default. Okay, now as you can see the image is getting repeated, right? Because image resolution is somehow smaller than the container size, right? So, and in display size it's also its default. Either you can simply select the cover, then image would be shown properly, else if you have selected the default then image would repeat, right? And here in the repeat, no repeat, if you select then image would not repeat, right? But let me select this larger one. Okay, repeat X and medium large, then as you can see the image is getting repeated. So here you can simply select no repeat in the repeat section in the image settings, right? So this is how you can set image to no repeat in Elementor in WordPress. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.